love Krabby.
Oh no!
You gotta be.
Oh my God! Damn!
La 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 la.
Thank you. You gotta be fucking kidding.
Oh no!
Bet you can't catch me.
Good.
Huh? You gotta be fucking kidding.
Thank you.
I can fly.
You are not the guy.
You gotta be.
Squidward. Squidward.
Shut up!
Squidward.
This is me telling you to shut up!
Squidward.
A few hours later.
The architect and the builder. They arrive calmly from their escalator with a sense of purpose.
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here. I have been arrested for multiple crimes, including battery on a police officer.
Good grief.
Thank you.
You are not the guy. You're not capable of being the guy.
You are not. You gotta be fucking kidding.
Fred, shut up! Alright? This is me telling you to shut up! Shut up!
Kill yourself.
Fred, shut the fuck
Hell
up!
yeah!
Good.
Damn it!
Much later.
Damn it! Oh no!
Huh? You
Take
gotta
action! Oh my! Kill yourself!
Shut the fuck up! Get out!
Kill yourself! Oh no!
You gotta be fucking kidding.
Kill yourself! Damn it! Oh hell yeah!
You gotta be fucking kidding.
Fred, shut...
Kill yourself!
Thank you so